doing the ball poem, let's continue next stanza of the poem. He senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. So, in these lines, the poet says that the boy is learning his first responsibility of taking care of his things and how to bear the loss of something in a world possessions. The poet makes a broad statement that people will take balls and these balls will be lost. In other words, the boy will keep losing things and would buy another one to replace the lost thing, but he would never be able to buy back that lost thing and the memories associated with it. Money is external as it cannot buy memories nor can it replace the lost things. So, here the most importantly, the poet says that money is external as it cannot buy memories nor can it replace the things that we love, the things that really matters. Now we will see the last four lines of the poem. He is learning well behind the desperate eyes this epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. So, children, the poet suggests that from the loss of the ball, the boy is learning the meaning of loss. He is also learning how to stand up from the loss. Here, the poet says that the boy has to learn that in this materialistic world, many of his belongings will be lost. He personifies the ball as his belongings, be it the worldly things or the relationships he is in possession of. So the poet says that knowing that every man has to stand up after such losses, the boy too will learn how to stand up and leave the losses behind. He would have understood the true meaning and nature of loss. So here the poem ends, children.